So we are in the F-150 Lightning, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's the range of this vehicle?
Well, there's a couple of different batteries. You can get the standard
Yes.
battery, which is in this.
Okay.
Will go about 220,
Okay.
and the other battery is like 320.
Okay.
But that's under perfect conditions.
Yes.
So if you're towing, it's going to be less.
Okay. About how long does it take to charge?
Well, if you do it at home with like 240,
Yes.
then like from like being low to full,
Uh-huh.
8 hours.
Okay, 80 hours.
8, and then,
Okay.
are you ready?
I'm ready. It's like a sports car.
Yeah.
It pinned me in my seat. Wow. That's impressive.
I've never had anybody scream like that. That's funny.
So how much would this one cost? This one we are in right now.
This one right now is 76.
76, okay. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. It makes me want to get one.
You should. What do you drive now?
Oh no, now I drive a gas engine Toyota Corolla.
Okay.
Wow, this is impressive.
Yeah,
So with an adapter, I can also use the Tesla superchargers, right?
yes.
Okay.
You have to have the adapter.
Okay. Amazing, amazing. Wow.
We'll give him a chance to move a little bit.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready? So it means that it has so much torque that the tires actually spin.
Yes.
That's crazy.
It's 775 pounds of torque.
That is insane.
Yes.
Wow. And this should be heavier than the regular F-150, right?
Yes.
Because of the batteries.
Correct.
Okay. Wow. This is amazing.
Well, you're making me laugh.
Do they all come with a big screen like this, or you have some versions with smaller screens?
No, that's the one that's in this, and also the Mach E.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much, sir, for showing me.
My pleasure. And see if
Thank
when I
you.
want to park by that cone,
Oh.
I just open this and see there's that cone, so it's right
Ah.
even with the front.
Wow. Bird's eye view.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And that's the F-150 Lightning. F-150 Lightning.